Welcome back, Sekhmets children, to Sekhmet's Magical Spiritual DIYs. In today's video, we're diving into a luxurious DIY coffee mango body butter to revive and nourish dry skin. This recipe is packed with natural ingredients that will leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and revitalized. Get ready to rejuvenate your skin with this easy DIY coffee mango body butter. We'll guide you step by step through the process, highlighting the benefits of each ingredient to help you achieve healthy, soft skin. Mango butter is rich in vitamins A and C. Mango butter deeply moisturizes the skin, boosts elasticity, and helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Coconut oil infused with coffee grounds. Coconut oil is known for its deep hydration properties. The coffee infusion in the oil is loaded with antioxidants, which help to fight free radicals, reduce inflammation, and improve overall skin tone and texture, leaving your skin looking radiant. Cocoa butter, also infused with coffee grounds. Cocoa butter is a natural emollient that helps lock in moisture, making the skin soft and supple. The coffee-infused cocoa butter enhances these benefits, providing additional antioxidants that protect the skin and promote a healthy, glowing complexion. Here is the coconut oil and cocoa butter infused with the coffee grounds. Red palm oil is rich in vitamins A and E, which are powerful antioxidants that help to protect the skin from damage, promote healing, and improve skin tone. The addition of red palm oil will turn your body butter a beautiful orange color and provide deep nourishment. Vanilla essential oil not only adds a warm, comforting scent, but also has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe irritated skin and leave it feeling smooth and soft. You will need a mixing bowl, and I will be using the double boiler method. The butters and oils with the infused coffee are being put in the bowl on medium heat. And as you see that we are using a double boiler method because we do not want them to be heated with direct heat. I wanted you to see the water. Our butters and infused oils with coffee are all melted. We will be putting them in the refrigerator for 20 to 25 minutes. Our coffee mango body butter is ready to be whipped, and it's a little bit stiff. So I will be getting some olive oil just to put a little bit in. And that made it much softer. Sometimes working with butters like cocoa butter is a very hard butter, and so sometimes it needs more liquid, more oils. Let's talk about best practices for storing your coffee mango body butter. Use airtight containers such as glass or plastic to prevent exposure to air, which can cause oxidation and spoilage over time. Or you can keep it cool by storing the body butter in a cool, dry place away from direct heat. Or refrigeration is an option if you live in a warm climate. Consider storing your body butter in the refrigerator. This helps maintain its texture and prolong its shelf life. Just make sure to let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes before you use it so it can be soft. Label your containers. It's a good idea to label your containers with the date you made the body butter, but I don't date mine because mine gets used up very quickly. This helps you keep track of its freshness. Typically, DIY body butters are best used within 3 to 6 months. And avoid contaminants. Always use clean, dry hands or a spatula to scoop out the body butter when you're about to use it. This prevents bacteria or moisture from getting into the jar, which could cause mold or spoilage. And watch for changes. Keep an eye out for any change in color, texture, or smell, which could indicate that the body butter is no longer good to use. If you notice any of these signs, it's best to discard the product. By following these practices, your coffee mango body butter should stay fresh, effective, and delightful to use for months. If you need any more tips or have other questions, comment below. Say goodbye to dry, dull skin and hello to a refreshing and nourishing experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY skincare recipes. Thank you for watching Sekhmet's Magical Spiritual DIYs.